The king has returned.
That's right. I said it. I said it. The king is back. After a short hiatus between the OnePlus 6T, we got ourselves the OnePlus 7 Pro. And there's no secret about how much I love the OnePlus 6T. The hype is real, y'all. And I've had the OnePlus 7 Pro as my daily driver for about a week now. So, as you probably know, I got a few things to say. So before we talk about the phone, let's jump into the box. So the OnePlus is actually a T-Mobile exclusive, but you can pick it up off their website and they start at $669. The T-Mobile version retails for $699, but you get a heck of a lot more for that extra 30 bucks. So we got the red OnePlus logo right there, 7 Pro, of course. Flip it over to the side, we have more branding, OnePlus 7 Pro. On the other side, yes, we're gonna go beyond speed. And on the back, we got some information about the phone itself. Of course, it's 4G LTE compatible. Of course, we got the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, an Optic AMOLED 6.67 2K display. This thing's got a 48 megapixel main shooter, an 8 megapixel wide angle lens, and a 16 megapixel telephoto lens. It's rocking a 4,000 milliamp battery. Woo-wee! That's an all-day beast right there. Fast charging compatible. And when they say fast charging compatible, they don't mean Samsung fast, Apple fast. They mean like warp speed fast, like to infinity and beyond fast. This version has 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it has the beautiful, awesome, amazing Oxygen OS, which is on top of Android Pie. It just makes the pie so much sweeter. Inside the box, you get this OnePlus envelope. Inside there, another envelope. Presentation is so on point with OnePlus. Got our SIM eject tool. Got our SIM card right there, in case we don't have one. Welcome and start guide, terms and conditions. And we got our beautiful OnePlus stickers. Very subtle right there. I don't know if you can read that. It says, never settle. And OnePlus, they're changing the game and they ain't never settling. Don't have a case? Well, OnePlus will give you a case. Yeah, it's not the best case, but hey, it does the job. It keeps the phone from slipping out of your hands. Underneath that, we got our warp charger. This thing can charge up to 30 watts of power. Your phone will be charged in no time. A little on the big side, but she gets the job done. And if we pull this flap, we got our signature red and white OnePlus cable. A strong, good-looking, powerful cable that can move the charge from your power brick to your phone via USB-C. But that's all you get in the box. So now, let's get down to business. If there is one word that I could sum this phone up with, it would have to be stunning. Absolutely stunning. I have never, ever experienced a phone as snappy and quick and speedy and awesome and altogether ooey gooey goodness, so buttery smooth like this phone right here. I promise you guys, when I first held this phone in my hand, my first thought was, I don't know if Samsung's gonna get me back. I have never had a better experience with any phone whatsoever. I get lost in the screen. It is so beautiful. It's 90 hertz beautiful. Yeah, that's right, 90 hertz. Majority of cell phone screens nowadays, they range between 45 hertz and 60 hertz. The refresh rate on this is so delicioso. Everything from browsing through apps, through going through the UI is just, oh, it is so smooth. All right, so let's jump into Asphalt 9. Oh my goodness. This screen is, it's the cry for it. It looks so good. And it's so responsive. I know my camera's not doing it justice, but this is unbelievable. And this is a very high intensive game. And it's loading it like it's nothing. This is all real time. And yeah, we got dual firing speakers right there. Look at the graphics on this. Woo, let's see if I can do this. Yeah, buddy. Oh, this phone just makes this game so much more enjoyable. This takes it to a whole new level. Don't mind me, I'm just having a little fun. Let's break. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Let's get this over with. Bam. Ooh, man. I'm sweating over here because it's just that good. So I showed you the front of the phone. Now let's check out the back. So like I said earlier, triple camera lens setup. So here's a couple shots to wet your beak. So there's some sample shots of the rear cameras, but you know, as you can see, this is all screen. So where's the front facing camera? Well, without further ado, let me show you exactly what OnePlus has been up to. Are you ready for it? Okay, pay close attention because I'm only gonna do this once. Look at that. It's got a pop-up camera. This pop-up camera is very fast to come up and it's fast to retract. We're seeing the future, y'all, in 2019, and it's only gonna get better from here. Oh, I was so excited to talk about the phone that I almost forgot. The in-display fingerprint reader is back, and it's faster than ever. Not to mention, yeah, did you guys see that? Let me show you again. So screen off, facial recognition that fast. Amazing, amazing. Here are some other features that I really loved from the OnePlus 6T that is back on the OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's turn on the flashlight. Flashlight on. Let's turn it off. Flashlight off. Let's open the camera. Camera has been opened. So let's just say you're listening to some music and you want to pause it. Pause. Play. Now let's just say you're tired of this song, you want to go to the next track. So let's just say you're at the end of the track and you want to go back to the beginning. Bam, start it over again. Those quick gestures are subtle, but very, very useful. This company was started with such a small community, but you know what? They've improved time and time again. And they've done that because they've listened to their customers. It's that simple. Businesses thrive when they listen to their customer base. And to be quite honest, I don't know how OnePlus is gonna outdo this. This is by far the best overall phone that I've ever held in my hand. Yes, it doesn't have wireless charging. Yes, there's no IP rating. Yes, the cameras, they're good, but they're not the best. But the overall package for $700, you just cannot beat that in 2019. So I personally believe that this is gonna be the phone of the year. But I'm definitely excited to see what everybody else brings to the table in 2019. So just as usual, if there's anything that I missed, anything you got a question or comment about, or hey, maybe you just want to give me a shout out, just leave a comment below and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as possible. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the OnePlus 7 Pro, leave a comment below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.